Jamaica is set to host the inaugural Caribbean-Africa Cup football tournament for men this year. The tournament is expected to be held between Emancipation and Independence Days at a venue to be decided. The competition is aimed towards strengthening cultural and sporting ties with the African continent under the theme International Decade of African Descent. Sports Minister Olivia Grange, who has already signed the agreement, spoke about the teams that will be involved in the tournament.
Confirmed the national team from Namibia and Botswana. We have yet to finalize the date. I have yet to get the blessings of the GFF. I did mention it to the president, and so we want to move quickly to focus on pulling that together, setting the date so that we can have a full disclosure as to what is planned, and to launch. This will become an annual event where we will have the Jamaica Caribbean African Soccer Cup.
GFF President Michael Ricketts is grateful to have this competition in Jamaica.
By the minister of this African Caribbean connection is something that we would endorse wholeheartedly. We are Africans by birth and probably by descent. So we want to ensure that we do have that relationship with our African neighbors, with our African counterparts, and having the Caribbean and of course maybe Trinidad, Haiti and Jamaica would be the principals in the Caribbean as it relates to football.
The tournament schedule will be announced at the end of March.